Open the file. Most people believe that an ignored notification has no cost. The phone buzzes in your pocket, but you do not pull it out. You keep working. You tell yourself that because you did not look at the screen, your focus remained intact. But the science suggests that simply receiving a cell phone notification has a measurable attentional cost, even if you do not actively interact with the phone. By the end of this file, you will know why an ignored buzz drains your attention, what the researchers measured, and the simple protocol to map your notifications before they fragment your day. This is the resilience myth. We are told that in a connected world, we must build personal discipline. We treat notifications like background noise, assuming we can train our minds to ignore them. But the human brain is wired to respond to cues. A buzz or a chime is a signal that social or work information is waiting. Even if you do not look at the phone, your mind immediately performs a micro switch. It runs a background thread wondering who sent the message or what it contains. The focus is broken, and the cost is paid. To see this cost in detail, we look at a study from 2015 by Carrie Stothart, Ainsley Mitchum, and Courtney Yaner. They wanted to measure the attentional cost of receiving a cell phone notification during a task requiring sustained attention. They had participants perform a demanding computer-based monitoring task. While the participants were focused, the researchers sent automated calls or text messages to their personal cell phones, which were kept nearby. The participants did not answer the calls or read the texts. Yet the results showed a massive spike in errors. Participants who received a call notification made significantly more mistakes on the primary task than the control group. In fact, their error rates were comparable to those of people who actively interacted with their phones. The researchers concluded that the notification triggered task-unrelated thoughts, borrowing working memory space and disrupting performance. An ignored notification is not neutral. It is a cognitive tax. Let us look at what this evidence supports. The study does not prove that all phones must be thrown away or that you can never use notifications. It was a laboratory task requiring high, continuous focus. In a normal workday, minor errors might not be fatal, but the core warning remains. You cannot assume that leaving a phone on silent but vibrating on your desk preserves your focus. The cue itself is the leak. This is the protocol. It is called the notification tier map. You will classify your notifications into 3 tiers before you turn them off. Tier 1, immediate action. These are notifications that require you to stop your current task immediately, like a system crash or an emergency call. Keep these on. Tier 2, batchable. These are notifications that you need to see today but not this hour. This includes teammate messages, work email, and calendar reminders. Turn off all sound and vibration for these and check them only during scheduled windows. Tier 3, noise. These are social media alerts, news updates, and app promotions. Turn these off completely. At the end of the day, review your notification map. The goal is to reduce the number of active alerts to the absolute minimum. You are not trying to isolate yourself. You are trying to ensure that when your phone buzzes, it actually matters. We put the notification tier template, along with the full Week 2 workbook spreads, into a free PDF called the Focus Lab Starter Kit. It is linked in the description. Download it and map your notifications. Stop letting passive alerts drain your day. If you want the complete system, that is the book, The 4-Week Focus Lab on Amazon. Close the file. We will see you in the next one.